Welcome to the Spartan Machinery, where innovation meets excellence. We don't just manufacture machines, we engineer excellence. At the Spartan Machinery, we proudly introduce our next-generation construction solution, a fully automatic, intelligent system designed to revolutionize how the world builds. Our machines combine world-class heavy-duty hydraulic pressure with advanced German-engineered vibration technology, delivering unmatched precision, durability, and consistency. This all-in-one solution is built for maximum performance and minimal maintenance. Featuring single mold technology, our machines ensure perfect dimensional accuracy, fast cycle times, and superior finish, all while lowering operating costs and reducing downtime. Whether you're producing fly ash bricks, paver blocks, concrete blocks, hollow or solid blocks, the Spartan Machinery gives you the versatility to handle it all. We take automation seriously. That's why our systems are equipped with robotic lifting arms, intelligent material batching, and smart stacking mechanisms, ensuring a seamless, touch-free workflow from raw material input to finished product output. At the Spartan Machinery, we believe no two projects are the same. That's why we offer complete customization options, tailored to your plant layout, production capacity, and specific project needs. From small-scale startups to large-scale industrial giants, the Spartan Machinery delivers solutions that scale with your vision. Upgrading your existing plant or setting up a brand new unit? We've got you covered. The Spartan Machinery specializes in both new installations and retrofitting older systems, helping you stay competitive with the latest tech and performance. Recognized as one of India's leading manufacturers and exporters of construction machinery, the Spartan Machinery is now powering infrastructure projects across the globe, from Asia to Africa, the Middle East to Latin America. Engineered for high performance, built for low maintenance, trusted worldwide, this is not just machinery, this is the Spartan Machinery. The benchmark of quality, the future of construction.